Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, Ali Shama here. Second flight of my GooSky RS4 white one, and I'm mostly doing my 3D practice, not doing too much, but just for learning. So here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, I found I can pull my pyro flips, full pyro flips on GooSky S2 very well, just like the way I practice in my flight simulator. But I feel RS4 falling a little slow to what I'm practicing. So that means I have to increase agility and speed on this baby, because this bad boy can handle much more speed and agility. And I'm still on 55% speed and agility. I can 62% agility and 55% speed on aileron and elevator. I believe I have to increase agility and speed, and then it will fall as per my practice, because in my flight simulator I'm practicing with a very small helicopter which falls very fast on the stick movements. So my hands are actually getting used to those movements, and I need to tweak this boy to get to those speeds. It can actually do much more speed. So let's tweak the speed and give it a try and see how it goes. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.